After my diet plan had finished, some of the things I could consider for next time are things such as fat loading. Uh, these I didn't use in my diet plan. I used a bit of having higher calorie intake before the competition, as well as having more carbs. But I didn't use the fat loading just because there is less research into this. However, before doing another diet plan, I'd look into this, gather some research, and find out if this really does work and if it would be beneficial to my triathlete. If it was, I would use it. I would also try and do the carbo loading with a bigger kind of atmosphere on the carbo loading and more attention towards that. So I did more of a calorie loading because I did double calorie intake rather than the intake they'd need from the Mets required that day because they weren't training. So the carbohydrate levels would increase if I was to do this at a higher level.